Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Wall Street close benchmarks mixed as investors reminded COVID-19 is still a present danger. NTVforex.com news IDD6F00C 1 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 86.11 points, or 0.31%, to 27,844.91. The S&P 500 SPX added NBSP 9.14 points, or 0.27%, to 3,381.99. The Nasdaq Composite put on 110.42 points, or 1%, to 11,129.73. On Wall Street, benchmarks were mixed as the second quarter earnings start to wrap up ahead of Wednesday's NBSP Federal Reserve minutes from its latest policy meeting. Tightening economic restrictions in Italy after a resurgence of coronavirus cases among young people weighed on European stocks, which hamstringed NBSP the US indexes despite further financial stimulus in China. Consequently, the Dow Jones Industrial Average DJI fell 86.11 points, or 0.31%, to 27,844.91. The S&P 500 SPX gained 9.14 points, or 0.27%, to 3,381.99, and the Nasdaq Composite IXIC added 110.42 points, or 1%, to 11,129.73. Chinese blue chips 399,300 had made gains of 2.35% as the People's Bank of China provided additional NBSP medium-term loans to the financial system. There had also been news that Beijing had granted a patent for a CanSino Biologics 6185 COVID-19 vaccine candidate, AD5-nCoV, which lifted risk appetite. NBSP, however, a stark reminder that the world is still in the grip of the coronavirus, came from cases in Italy have doubling over the past 2 weeks, prompting the nation to reimpose restrictions on bars and nightclubs. Also, NBSP-Sino-American relations remain a risk. Over the weekend, the US NBSP President Donald Trump said he could exert pressure on more Chinese companies such as technology major Alibaba after he moved to ban TikTok. Nevertheless, the Nasdaq Composite set record highs on Monday. As for data, NBSP the U.S. Empire Manufacturing Index crumbled and arrived NBSP much weaker than expected, 3.7 versus 15.0. Overall, the index points to very modest expansion, with new orders and shipments both retracing, analysts at ANZ Bank explained, also noting that one bright spot in the U.S. economy is the housing market, which has been buoyed by super low interest rates. NAHB Housing Market Index, a survey of home builder confidence, was stronger than expected, and has returned to previous highs. NBSP S&P 500 levels. NBSP overview today: last price 3,386, today daily change 6.75, today daily change percent 0.20, today daily open 3,379.25. NBSP trends daily: SMA 20 3,296.59, daily SMA 50 3,197.7, daily SMA 100 3,028.9, daily SMA 200 3067.63. NBSP levels: previous daily high 3,380.5, previous daily low 3,356.25, previous weekly high 3,389, previous weekly low 3,337, previous monthly high 3,293, previous monthly low 3,073.5, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 3,365.51, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 3,371.24, daily pivot point S1 3,363.5, daily pivot Point S2 3347.75 daily pivot. Point S3 3339.25 daily pivot. Point R1 3387.75 daily pivot. Point R2 3396.25 daily pivot. Point R3 3412 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.